Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Rootset. In this video, I'll be talking about how scientific advancement and robotics technology is helping us to fight against the pandemic Covid-19. Drone delivery. Amazon, UPS, and even Domino's have started drone delivery services in selected locations. In this time of crisis and social distancing, drones provide the ideal solution to bolster delivery capacity while keeping citizens safe at home. They can deliver products quickly to virtually any locations. Currently available drones can deliver packages that weigh between 2 to 3 pounds right to customers' doorsteps. During the crisis, drones were able to deliver necessities such as food and medicines to selected households, observing social distancing recommendations, keeping people in the safety of their own homes, and reducing crowding and unnecessary contact at local stores. Next, we have self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicle companies are positioned to come out of COVID-19 a lot stronger. Unmanned vehicles are already finding their directions onto the roads in China. They are now used to sterilize hospitals, deliver groceries, transport medical aids, even deliver meals to isolated wards and individuals who are testing positive for the virus. The advantage of driverless car is it doesn't require anyone in the driver's seat. This helps us a lot in keeping a safe social distance. Now that contactless delivery is a requirement, autonomous vehicles have a use case that makes sense to a lot more businesses. In any given time and situation, they are statistically safer than human-driven cars, and intelligent AI-powered systems are immune to faults and temperamental indiscretions of humans. Next, robotic surgery. Robotic surgery or robot-assisted surgery allows doctors to perform many types of complex procedures with more precision, flexibility, and control than is possible with conventional techniques. In this technique, the surgeon's hand, wrist, and finger movements are transmitted through the computer console to the instruments attached to the robot's arm. There are so many advantages to robotic surgery. Robotic assisted surgery can take less time even than laparoscopic surgical options. The deployment of surgical robots can present unique opportunities for continued adherence to treatment regimes without fear of spreading more disease. Covid-19 may become the tipping point of how future surgeries and operations are performed. Next, we have restaurant server robots. Some restaurants in India have already deployed server robots which will serve food to the customers. Robots are a way of providing one less point of human contact. Here is how it works. Kitchen staff can load up the robot tray, and the robot then drives itself to its table destination to bring people their order. By doing so, we can limit the direct contact of kitchen staff with the customers and reduce the risk of infection. Pharmaceutical Operations. Developments in AI and robotics have opened a new frontier in the life science and pharmaceutical space. Artificial intelligence systems are now capable of screening potential drugs almost completely independent. This could speed up COVID-19 drug development. In pharmaceutical industries, most of the works are repetitive. Robots are an ideal choice here because they are easy to automate and provide a high level of accuracy and consistency. In this field, numerous robotics innovators and vendors claim to be joining the fight against COVID-19. The rise of personalized medicine and cell therapies will also call on robotics and automation in order to deliver on the promise at a reasonable cost. These exciting developments should help all of us working in the lab to become more productive while gaining new scientific insights. Drones and surveillance robots are fighting COVID-19 with a triage and monitoring system for healthcare providers and government agencies. As you guys know, key part of lockdown is crowd control. These bots have the ability to move and be commanded remotely to investigate people and places as required. This pandemic has triggered an unprecedented demand for digital health technology solutions and has revealed successful solutions such as for population screening, tracking the infection, prioritizing the use and allocation of resources, and even designing targeted responses. Always wash your hands, use a mask, and practice social distancing. Together, we will win this war against COVID 19.